Hello and welcome to week 16. This is it. This is the last week of this class. You did it. Some of you are just getting back from Thanksgiving. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. What are we doing this week? You are doing two things. Yeah. Actually, there are three things. Wow. Okay. Yeah, three things. What are we doing? Well, we're going to do the final draft of writing paper 3. Yep. There's the post-test you get to take. Yep. And the end of the term survey. So I did an extra credit last week, but this is particularly about this class. And more extra credit available to you. Wow! Okay, so a couple of things. Remember, paper 3, again, this is writing project 1. I'll fix that. Yeah, I just copied and pasted that. I'll say 3. Anyway, again, we've been over this a few times in this class. Make sure you upload the correct file. Okay? If you upload the wrong file, including your first draft, that'll give you a 0. Again, there needs to be actual revision between your first draft and your final draft. And if you have plagiarized any part of your essay, you will get a 0. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Okay. There is a post-test. This is not a final. Okay, so let me make sure this is very clear. This is a post-test. Okay? So you're going to take this post-test. You get one shot at the post-test. You don't get multiple shots. And it is part of your grade. And then there's an end of the term survey. Again, 10 points of extra credit towards either paper 2 or paper 3, whichever needs it. And what is the most important lesson you learned from this class, why, and how will you use this knowledge in the future? So 300 words. If you write that, then you get extra credit. Please note, there is not a final exam for this class. All assignments must be submitted no later than November 30th by 11:55 p.m. I will not accept any work after that time. If you look down here, again, same thing. There is not a final exam for this class. This is an English class. Really, the paper is the last assignment. There's no final for this class. Did I make that clear? Okay, you're welcome. Yeah, so you can work on that time for other things. So once you finish your final draft of paper 3, you've taken the post-test and the end of the term survey, you're done. You're done with this class, and you can go skipping on merrily into the future. So there you go. That is it for the class. So, final little thoughts here from your professor. The main goal, really, that I wanted you to get out of this class is that we are surrounded by a lot of really cool things, whether it be literature or movies or songs or poems that have a deeper meaning to them and that can connect with your life in a way that you maybe hadn't really thought about unless you get a chance to look a little deeper. That's what I wanted you to do. Look a little deeper at some things this semester. Why would an author take the time to put this? They're trying to say something. You had a chance to write your own poem or short story. You were trying to say something more than just telling me a story or just trying to come up with some words that rhyme or didn't rhyme. There was meaning behind what you were doing. There's meaning behind the things that people create that helps them connect with bigger concepts in the world. It's all around us. A lot of people don't take the time to do that. Okay, so I hope you got that. And one last thing, it was interesting. At the beginning of the semester, I was asked by my boss what was my philosophy in life, and I'm just going to share this with you. And some of you are like, oh, I don't want to hear it. No, just trust me, okay? My philosophy in life is simply this. Most of the world's social problems, if not all of the world's social problems, would be resolved or just not even happen if people cared more about others than they did themselves. Okay? Just saying. If everybody actually loved their neighbor, as one way to look at it, and focused more on the needs of others, if everyone did that, then everyone would be taken care of. Where we have social problems because people are selfish and they think about themselves more than they think about others, which is too bad. So go on, have a wonderful rest of your college education. If you're done, good luck with your career, and I wish you all the very best.